Hey guys, what's up, guys? I'm in a village. I just arrived in a village not too long. All along I've been waiting for German. The time here is 1:51. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Yeah, Alma. Okay, no, I'll do that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys. I'm just coming. I just entered the village. Yeah. This is my home. This is my home, guys. You can see my mattress and my bags there, so I need to place them in the house right now. Yeah. Vibra, what news? How do you do? Guys, he's my big brother. Yeah. Yeah. Basim there. Hey, man, I don't. For confess, you know what's wrong. Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm pretty much happy. Yeah, I'm pretty much happy. I'm so happy that I'm here. That's my baggage there, so I need to. Darakani. That baggage, bro. Uncle Brana. Papi. No, yeah. Papi. Asiki.
That motor boy here, that one my piggy Bokai. Look, now small running you do over there. Hey? Okay. The high can run.
Guys, that's another story. Guys, this is a mattress I just purchased from Let me video room first, then I will know what's up there. Welcome, Sharif. A lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work. Very challenging, guys. A lot of work. Yeah, I'm just listening. All of these places, a lot of work. Yeah. Wow. I need to have a fun place to place all of those stuffs and things. This is how best thing can be. Wow. Great. Oh God. Wow. Let me speak to my dad first before I can go and do any other thing there. Come around. Come there. Okay. Come there. Okay. Come there. Okay. That's it. Come there. Anybody? I wish you know anybody careful. Alright. But what you need to say is bangu. Abendo inshallah. I don't come away. Yeah. Me mola ala wo samaki. Yeah. Ala ita fanga di mama. Ala wa me. Ai tini tu. Bebeke. Koi moso. Afra wuli de ìjẹka èjì de alabani areta lo elo ti lo so we yan re alaje fra di mama you all right? Tomorrow I'll be part of the program here. I'll be part of it. Shini just in me o otokaro na ta ba ta Zau la bero. Aga mo ta ka bro. Ari ka mo sala. Brasileiro. Ale no. Asta. Não só da sole, não deu coisa. Na fé kana fani ma do ke jano. Bena fani ke ni ka ni ngosi. So mena do ka jan, I don't find I don't move yo. So I would not go very back and na via. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, okay. Wow. Kau kan di rumah? Di rumah? Guys, I'm in a village. Yeah. So, you know, when you enter the village, you got to pass around and then speak to people. Yeah, say hi to family and other relatives before you can have seat. That's a custom here, that's a tradition here, honestly. You alright? How are you? What else? Ah, you go Masana?
Yeah.
You come back today?
Yeah.
Okay. Then thank you.
Yeah.
Agriculture pays you.
Nothing paid in the soil.
Huh?
Say nothing paid.
Nothing. There's nothing compared to the soil. This one here, that's more farm here. You bought a bear? But if someone wants one, I can get some. Through you? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you know, you got to be honest, really. Later, I reach the house here, yeah? Yeah, my brother permission. Yeah, I can only support him. Yeah, this is I come on. How is your job? Yo. Guys, I'm on a village vlog. Yeah, just vlogging my village. Yeah, I just came, you know. So I decided to vlog around small and speak to other family members. Then I'm going to have seat and rest. Mariam, I said, I eat to your area. They enough in here. Oh, yeah, we are to you. What? Real. Mercy, you don't know, bro, one coro. Not that you don't coro, bro. That's you know. That's it. That's you know. That's yeah. Okay. That's that.
Hey, Mama, Leda, what say?
Why you crying for me?
The message of country here.
No. The man talk about the country. The man say the past government team or her, but not team alright. Alright, not what say, huh? Alright. Huh? Ah, brother Luma. Brother Luma. She was like telling me that my brother is in the garden, and I'm making her to understand that he is home. Yeah, they are in meeting already. Grandma, thank you. Oh, my so. Oh, Matima. I got easy.
To our boys, yeah.
Oh, really? Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, yeah? I come later on, yeah? Yeah. Hey, Grandma. I come on. Kolu? Hey, my sia. Hey, my baby. Bow. Hey, my love. My love. My love. That's how it go. My happiness. You're right? Hi, come here. How the job?
Thank you. Today.
I know. I know. You fit everywhere. Oh, that's cool. You're right? Hi, come here. No, wait, I'm not too much low. You understand? Not there. Yeah, I don't want to tip. Thank you. Hey, come here. Right. Yeah, thank you too. Thank you for Umar. Yeah, at least. Small. You'll get fun one day, inshallah. Yeah, one day to be fine. Yeah, we'll change the narrative if God agree. Now one cassava there? How many years in the ground? How many years in the ground?
2 years.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Now, why are you looking like wool like this? Alright, sure.
Okay.
Well, not all over there. Okay. Let me go put the bed down here. Okay. Yeah. Even nothing there, but family come first. You go around. Come speak to the family. Even nothing there, say it can make. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, that's why the Umar was just saying. You pass around, you walk around, vlog everywhere you go. No place like home. It can be 2 houses somewhere, but that's the village. That's where you were born, and that's the life. It's more than any other thing, honestly. When you tear it, I will kick you. Get tear it. Smoke with Sonny Johnny. Get tear it. I will step you. No. I brought it for you. Plastic. You want to force it to see inside?